Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can upload an assignment in Microsoft Teams for your class or group. And by the way, you have to take note that you will only be seeing this feature if you have availed the plan that supports this feature, because the basic plan doesn't really has this feature. So again, once you've made sure that you have the full version or the plan for the Microsoft Teams, that will actually grant you the access of assignment, you will see the assignment section here. So what you will have to do is you will just have to click that, and then you will select the assignment that you want to submit, and then you will just have to click add work, and then you will upload from this device and select your file. Then you will click turn in to submit your assignment. And by the way, you will have to check the file size and the format before uploading to avoid any errors. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.